Hi everyone, welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with me, Darla. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So, I'm working on a few things. I have something finished and I'm working on a couple of tutorials, maybe three, maybe three. Oh dear. All right, so first of all, I have a Hobie order coming, so watch for that haul. I'm trying to use up my stash, but they had something on sale, and I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but I did put it in a community post, and it's something that I wanted a while back when I saw it on sale, and I did not buy it because I was being good, and this time I was being bad, so I ordered it. It's all the same yarn I ordered, and I think it was 3 different colors, so I'm excited to get it. Okay. Oh, and also I ordered a mystery bag from Angela at My Precious Yarnery. I think she's sold out now, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I ordered one, and I'm excited to get that too. Oh my goodness. We both live in Canada. Also, I placed an order with Temu. I haven't ordered from them for a while. I've been just putting stuff in my cart and taking things out. You know how you do that? Yeah, so that'll be, I'll do a haul. It'll be a non-yarny haul because I didn't order any yarn. I don't think I ordered anything crochet related at all, but we'll see when it comes. Yeah. Okay. So let me show you what I worked on the weekend. Another one of my bags. I know. How many do I have now? I think I have, this might be the 4th. I have a tutorial for it, and I'll link that up here and in the description box. So, made it in purple. Yeah. See? If you haven't seen that tutorial or the other 2 bags I showed on a previous video that I made, they have a flat bottom, and the handles, I just made them to go over my shoulder, you know, but you can make it longer. Yeah. Do whatever you want, it's your bag. So this, I believe, is paint box yarn from Love Crafts, and this other yarn here is, oh, I don't have a label because I had made something already quite a while ago, and I frogged it just before the weekend. I frogged it. So that happens, right? Sometimes you're like, oh, you know, I'm never going to wear that. So you frog it, and then you make something else. Oh, and by the way, when I showed that video of that sweater that I've been working on, thank you so much for all your comments, and you made me feel better about what I ended up doing with that sweater. You did. Like, I felt a little bit bad for what I did, but you guys just, I'm not the only one, you know. Thank you so much, you guys. Okay, back to this. So this yarn here is Loops and Threads. I think it was called Cotton Colors. Now, I don't think they make it anymore, but I loved their cotton colors. Do you have any in your stash? Do you know if they still make it? It was Loops and Threads, which is a Michaels brand. So there was purples and there were pinks and things like that, and I just separate all the colors. So there's purple, there's white. This is actually very pale blue in here. I went back to white, and then the purple again, and then white, and then the paint box yarn again at the top for the handles. So yeah, so I have several of these bags. What did I say? 4. I believe it's 4 now. And I just really like that stitch. I think it's really nice. It's like diamonds. Yeah. So yeah, I said I had a tutorial and I'll link it. Okay, so what else was I doing? Well, I made a wrap, a huge wrap. It can be an Afghan. I mean, it's so big. You don't have to make it that big. But I do have a tutorial on that, which I just put out. So I'll link it up here as well and in the description box below. But I'm using the same stitch for that wrap in a new tutorial. This is the stitch. I love it. And no, it's not the same one that was in this bag. It does kind of have diamond, kind of like diamond. It does have diamonds. This has diamonds too, like that. Definitely different stitch, and there's shell stitches in this top. So, yeah. So this is going to be a one piece. So I was working on the tutorial this morning. It'll be a one piece where you start at the bottom, you work your length, we make a neckline, and then we work the back, and then we sew it up at the sides. And yeah, so that's how it's going to work, but I'll explain all that in the tutorial. So I was recording the tutorial this morning and it was going along so nice. No bloopers, like no screwing up as far as I know, because I was being very careful. I haven't watched the video clips, but I'm like, oh, this is going so smoothly. I'm so happy. And then it didn't go smoothly. I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh, it has to do with the neckline, but I'm gonna fix it. I mean, it's big enough, but my count was a little off. So I'm like, oh, phooey. So I'm gonna have to, I think, frog just this little bit and re-record it. Yeah, but I'm still happy. I'm still happy. When things go wrong, unless it's something really, really major, you know, very major, we can still be happy when things like this go wrong, right? We can fix it. Okay. So, oh, this yarn, let me tell you what this yarn is. I pulled it from my stash. I've had this yarn for quite some time. I have, I don't know, 5 or 6 balls of it maybe. And it's Loops and Threads Joy DK. It's DK, it's a 3-weight. And again, I don't know if they make this anymore. It comes in one of those like donut shaped things. 85 grams, 3 ounces, 212 meters, 232 yards. And it suggests a 5 millimeter crochet hook and a 4 millimeter knitting needles. I'm using a 5 crochet hook. And machine wash, tumble dry low, which is really good. 100% anti-pilling acrylic. Oh, the colorway, Pina Colada. I don't know what a Pina Colada looks like. I've never had one. I don't know if it looks like these colors. I don't know. But anyway, it's working up so nicely. Okay, so that'll be a tutorial in the future. Okay. So you guys, actually this will be the next tutorial that I put up. So let's see, hopefully within the next couple of weeks. Yeah. Okay. And the next thing I'm designing something. It's kind of started off as something else and then like, oh, I don't really like that. Well, I like it, but it's not really working out. So I changed it. Anyway, I'm hoping, I have to crochet more of it to see if it's gonna work out the way I want it to and the way it's supposed to. And I'm using one of those cake yarns. So they say it's a 2 weight. Maybe it's between a 1 and a 2, I think. Cake yarns that I got from Herrschners. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it up here, that haul. This is the most colorful one I got. I got like, how many bags did I get? Was it 4? Yeah, I think so. So that was 8. 4 plus 4. That was 8 cakes I got. So if you didn't see that, you must go watch it. And I got them for 2 for 90, like 2 in a pack for $9.99 US. So it's a little more Canadian, but yeah. I break down the prices. Oh, I didn't get a bill yet. I think I'm going to get a bill for that shipping. I still haven't got it because Herrschner didn't charge shipping. Okay. Anyway, when they do, I'm going to let you know when they send me a bill. Okay. I'm not really gonna say what it is right now. I don't know if it's gonna be what I want it to be. But let me show you how the yarn is working out. I've worked through, there was a blue in the middle, and then now there's a greenish. Let me show you that. It's going into this kind of bluey with, actually it's the blue with, yeah, kind of a greeny, and then it yeah, kind of a greeny, and then it's going to go into yellow, and that looks like a pinky color, and then light purple and purple. It's really interesting, really interesting. Anyway, so I'll show you. Show us. I can hear you all. Okay. Oh, this is a Temu top, if you're wondering. I have a haul on that too. Anyway, so this is it. Okay. It might go this way, it might go this way, it might not go any way at all if it doesn't work out completely. But yeah, I know, what could that be? Any guesses? Okay, so that'll be a while. I mean, I want to finish it in this thin yarn to see if it's going to work. I know that like others of you who design crochet wearables, yes, it's a wearable. Oh, and I'm using a 3mm hook. So you guys that design wearables or anything crochet really, when you design, does it seem like it's working out correctly and it's going to hang right at first? And then as you make more rows and more rows and more rows, it doesn't work anymore? Do you find that happens? That happens with me sometimes. And sometimes I can design something and it just works out. And it works out. So it depends. Anywho, so it's a really nice day here in Winnipeg. Temperature was 25 last time I looked, which is, I'll write it on the screen what that is in Fahrenheit. It's gorgeous. We had a little bit of a cool spell, and I know you guys in the States and other countries have been, according to the news, have been having scorching hot weather and crazy weather. Crazy storms, yeah. So I hope you're all safe. All right, so I'm gonna go and see what trouble I can get into. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all soon. All right, bye-bye.